Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this tutorial I want to show you how to convert the attribute table of features in ArcMap into Excel. So let me just open ArcMap software. So this is the ArcMap software. I've already opened this. I've already added my data, so I have 4 points. And on the attribute table, if you right click, then click on open attribute table, this table will pop up, and I have some data inside this table. So I want to convert this table as it is into Excel. I want this table to be exactly as it is into Excel. So what I need to do is, let me just close this. You need to find Arc Toolbox. So this is Arc Toolbox. It's a red toolbox like icon. Just click on it, then the right hand side will be able to see this kind of table. Then what we need to do, you need to find the conversion tools, and then expand on it. Just click on this plus icon, then the first one will be Excel, so just expand also. Now we have two options, either to convert from Excel to table or table to Excel. So we already have a table, so we want to convert this table to Excel. So double click on it. So the input table, it will be the features that we're interested in, these UTM points. So just click on this down arrow and select the feature that you want, which is my case is UTM points, and give it some time to load. And then the second, the output Excel file is where you want to store your Excel, or where you want to put your Excel. So click on this little folder icon, then select. So I'm going to choose my workspace, which is the desktop. I'm going to give it a name, so I'm going to give it points. So I'm going to click save, then okay. So it's going to take some few minutes or seconds. And the process is complete, as you can see. So I'm going to minimize this so that this is the Excel that has been converted. So if I double click on it to open the Excel, so we're going to see the data that we're going to see that data, that table attribute, but now in Excel format. So just going to expand on it, then so just going to compare what we have here. You can see we have the FID station, northing, easting, point X, point Y, and what we have the attribute table. You open the attribute table, you have FID, shape, station, northing, easting, point X, point Y. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how you can simply convert attribute table into Excel. See you in the next tutorial.